Hi guys, welcome to Bikers Club channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about the new BMW R nineT 2023 100 Years Edition. First look, classic chrome. So make sure to watch the full video. BMW Motorrad is celebrating its 100th anniversary this year, and that means we'll be seeing some special editions recognizing that milestone. Getting the ball rolling is the 2023 BMW R nineT 100 Years Edition. Limited to 1,923 examples, the retro-inspired R nineT receives a slew of special features for the 100 Years Edition. BMW starts by giving the 2023 R nineT 100 Years Edition the full array of rider aids, 3 ride modes: dynamic, road, rain, upgraded ABS, traction control, acceleration and deceleration, cruise control, adaptive headlight, and LED lighting all around. Creature comforts include heated grips and a powered USB port. With that as the base, the designers got busy. Right away, you're going to notice the painted chrome tank. Painting chrome was an easier task in the pre-regulation days of solvent-based paints. In 2023, it's a considerably more complex challenge. Here's how a BMW insider describes the classic chrome process. In preparation, the metal tank, for example, is first polished to a high gloss. The surface must be completely free of dust and scratches for further treatment. After this step, the part is immersed in various electroplating baths. Layers of copper, nickel, and ultimately chromium are applied. The finished chrome-plated part is then painted in several layers. A final coat of clear coat covers the entire tank. Avis black paint is used on the chrome tank, and white double pinstriping is added. Then, a numbered 100 years BMW Motorrad tank badge is affixed to the 4.5-gallon fuel tank. The Avis black front fender matches up perfectly with its own double pinstriping, while the seat cover reprises the tank's deluxe classic chrome Avis black pairing. BMW's option 719 line of high-end accessory parts joins in with 2 billet-pack shadow packages of milled aluminum goodies: front engine cover, cylinder head covers, oil filler plug, seat brackets, adjustable hand control levers, adjustable foot controls, foot pegs, expansion tank covers, and bar end mirrors. Oh, and those wire-spoked wheels with black anodized rims are option 719 classic items. There's more black and chrome to be had. Black shows up on the frame, fork legs, and air intake, and the solo seat is black and oxblood red with a backrest. The 2023 BMW R nineT 100 Years Edition has a manufacturer's suggested retail price of $19,995 and will arrive on showroom floors in the first quarter of 2023. What do you think about the new BMW R nineT 2023? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel before you go.